Welcome back to our channel Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today we are going to solve a new question that is write a Java program to sort the element in an array using built-in method. So before wasting the time, let's start the video. So first of all, what we need to create our own array. The type of array is a int type. The symbol of array is this. Then name of the array is ARR to represent the array. And in the curly braces, you have to write the some values like 20. Make sure it's a int type means the value should be a integer type 25, 12, 7, 3, and end the curly braces and end with semicolon. After this, what we needed, we just simply need a built-in method which is already present in arrays class. So we just import that method here. So how to import it? Just type it capital A R A Y S. Just control and space button click, and you will get these suggestions like arrays from the java.util. This is the first one which is present in java.util package. You just click here and enter. As you can see here, the class of the java.util.arrays is imported here. So after this, we need a method which is present inside of this arrays class. So we just type dot, just dot. You're getting the multiple suggestions here, but we just need a short method. We just type s here. O. As you can see here, we'll getting the sort method here. And you can also see that the sort byte, sort char, sort double, that is a method overloading. So whatever the values you are passing in the sort array, it automatically comes with the overloading method. So we just need a int type sort int here. We just enter here and the type your array, that is a array inside of this sort method. After this, what you just need a new. First of all, uh, you just have to print something here like sorted array in ascending order. Ascending order. Then what you have to do, we just need a for each loop to print the new array or the same array. So let's take int num colon array. So whatever the values is present in ARR, it automatically comes to the num variable or num element here. So after this, side of this, just this out our num here. Let me run it and see what we will getting. As you can see here, we will getting the sort array in the ascending order 3, 5, 7, 12, 20. But in the printing the second line in the every single values. So what we need here, we just need a print statement over here instead of print ln. We just remove the ln here. Let me run it again and see we will getting the 3571220. But we will getting the all the value is getting mismatches. So we just need here num plus concatenate with the space of the string. Let me run it again or see we will getting 3, 5, 7, 12, 20 in the ascending order or the sorted array. Here we are going to we are implementing the array by the built method. But the next video we will implement the sort array with the without built-in method. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.